the number of unknowns and the number of equations has to be equal. At least must be equal to get the value for these unknowns. But unfortunately, we have less number of equations and high number of unknowns. To fill that vacuum, what I do, I assume anything, any number, any letter as one. For my convenience, I assume that that A equals 1. Then from this equation, you can get C equals 2. From this equation, you can get D equals 2. From this one, you can easily get that F equals 7. From this one, you can easily get that B equal 2F. B equal 2 into 7 equals 40. Now you know the bit C, D, the only unknown is E. So from this one, you can isolate that 2E. 2E equals B minus C minus 3D. Then 2E equals B 14 minus 2 minus 3 times 2 means 14 minus 8 equals 2E. Then E equal plus 6. Or just 6. Right. E equal 3, no? Yes, E equal 3. Equals 3. Now you can write down the equation. Right. Now we can write down, this is my required reaction. Potassium dichromate Cl, KCl, Cr, Cl3, Cl2 and water. A2Cr2O7 plus HCl will give us KCl plus CrCl3 plus Cl2 plus water. Then A equals 1. I assume that A equals 1. So no need to write down that one. Then B equals 6. No. B equals 14, I think. Then here 2. Here 2. Here 3. Right. Then finally this was 7. Did I get such number? Yes. B equal 14. I must be some. But, but if is 14, right? Yeah. It is 14. No, it has to be something. Oh, wait. Let's see what is wrong. If equals and yes, if equals are right. Then this is the balance equation. And this is called the mathematical method. Any hard equation can balance by using this easy method. I'll brief it again. In the mathematical method, what we do here, This is the row equation. That means without any coefficient. That means not balanced. The unbalanced reaction is given. Or some data will be given so that you can decide what are the products. Now, if you know the product, then you can write down the equation in particular. This particular case, they have given that. Then as we don't know the stoichiometric coefficient, that means the stoichiometric coefficient is the number we find in front of any of the chemical species in a given reaction. As we don't know, I just assume that it has A, B, C, D, E, N, F. Oh my God, no. Then you get the relationship. How? The number of atoms on both sides has to be same. If I consider that potassium, I have A and 2. That means 2A number of potassium. On the right hand side, you have only C, C number of atoms. So 2A must equal to now C. Means C is 2. C equals 2 like this. So that's how you balance it. Then you can get these numbers. So this relationship by considering atom of each. Here we have potassium 2A equals Cy. You have 2A's and C. Then you consider the potassium chromium, it is A times 2. Again 2A. On right hand side, you have D on Y. Chromium is only in a single place like this. Right? Then you will get this kind of equation. After that, no matter how long you are trying to solve that, you will not get any number. Therefore, assume that A equals 1. No need to be A, you can assume any number as A. Then if A equals 1, C equals 2, D equals 2, like that. You can get those relationships. Right? By assuming that, you can solve for A, B, C, D, E, F. Then you will get that. Right? I assume that it's okay, clear. Is it clear, Buddha? Right. Then you can try this. Try and balance these stoichiometric numbers as these numbers as I have given here. Those you have to get those numbers. Just try. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see. Here, I will put the stoichiometric numbers as A, B, C here, C, D, and E. Then I consider copper, A equals C. Then I consider H, hydrogen. Then we have B, hydrogen. On right hand side, you have here only, that means 2E. Then I consider nitrogen. Again, B equals, on right hand side, you have 2N by C into 2 nitrogen. Total 2C plus D. Then I consider oxygen. Then B into 3, 3B. 3B equals to, here you have C times 2 nitrogen, 2C plus. Here you have D and here you have E. You have four equations and five unknowns. So you can't solve it. Now I assume that A equals 1. Now from this you will get what? A equal 1, then C equals 1. Here B equals 2E. But now it's a problem. Why? You can't get as earlier. Oxygen here you have 3B. 3 times B. B into 3 on left hand side. But right hand side you have C into 2 times N. Again 2C. Like this 2C. Then when we consider this DO, D times of oxygen, 1D, and E, 1E. Here 1E, 1E. So that's how you get that. This fourth equation. A equals 1. Now actually you can't do anything in this case. Therefore what I do? I subtract 4 from 3. 3 minus 4. Oh, 4 minus 3 will be much better. 4 minus 3. So 4 will left hand side 3B. 3B minus B, 2B. 2B equals 2C will cancel, D will cancel. 2B equally. Here it says B equal to E, here 2B equal D. Something wrong there. Why? What's wrong? Two C. When we consider nitrogen, it has to be 2C plus D. Yes, correct. Here 3B equal 3B oxygen equals 2C, right? Here is that 2C. 2C, when we consider oxygen, 2 C into 3. It has to be 2C into 3 means 6C. 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 Therefore, what I do here, what I do here, I multiply the third equation by 3. 3 into 3 minus 4. 3 into 3 now. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 can be 3b equals 6c plus 3b. This is my fifth equation. Then I subtract. Now this. B, 6C, 3D. Yeah. Then 3B, 3C, VE. If you subtract that, then you will get like this. One thing. This will cancel. 3B, 3B will cancel. 0 equals to 6C, 6C will cancel. Here, 3D minus D, 2D. 2D. This is E. E. That will be minus E. Then E equals 2D. E equals 2D. Then 2D equals 2D. Then in this case, I can replace that. Bn 2E. Instead of the 2E, I can put that D. From 2, second equation, what I do here, 2B, sorry, the B equals to what? E, B equal to E, 2 times 2D, means B equal 40. B equal 40. That means we know that B. What is B? B equals 1. B equals 2E. We don't know the B yet. We know only the C. No. I need to get anyhow the C. Yes. From third equation, you can get it easily. Right? From third equation, how I can get it? Then I got from third equation, B equals 2E. B equals 2E. From these two, I can get like this. Instead of that B, I can put 2E. This will give us 2E equal 2C plus D. And also we know that from this equation, E equals 2D. Okay. So I will get it as 6. Then you can get that from 6. This may be 7. From 6 and 7. Instead of that 2E, I can put that 2 times 2D equals C D. C equals 1. Therefore, 2 into 1 plus D. Now 3D equals 2, D equals 1 over, no, 2 over 3. D equals 2 over 3. Now B is known. How? B equals 4D. In a B equal 4 times 2 over 3. 8 by 3. B equal 8 by 3. Then we know A, B, C, D. Now only unknown is D. For that you can get this sixth equation. Sixth equation will give E equals 2D. E equals 2 times 8 by 3. Something wrong. What's wrong? What is E? E must actually be, yeah. E equals 2D. Yeah, I got it, no? What's wrong? Here equal 2D, then E equals 2D. 2D, sorry. This is not D. D equals 2 by 3, not 8 by 3. 2 times 2 by 3 equal 4 by 3. Now I know all the numbers. I have done. What are the numbers? 4 plus H in O3 gives us Cu in O3 twice plus NO plus water. The numbers here 8 by 3. No, A equals 1. I'm sorry. A equals 1. A equals 1. B equals 8 by 3. C equals C equals 1. No, the D equals 8 by 3. E equals 4 by 3. Now we know that stoichiometric numbers has to be a whole number. Therefore, I can multiply everything by 3. So 3 plus 8 into 3 will give us 3 copper nitrate plus 8 NO plus 4H2O. So this is the balance equation. Did you get that? Hope that this is easy.